In this list, number 1 is Haris Rauf with 69 wickets in 37 matches. Swal Tanveer with 71 wickets in 62 matches. Iftikhar Anjum with 62 matches and 77 wickets. The left-arm pacer Mohammad Amir with 81 wickets in 61 matches. The tall fast bowler Mohammad Irfan with 83 wickets in 60 matches. Amir Swal with 85 wickets in 156 matches. The current all-rounder Shadab Khan with 85 wickets in 70 matches. Hassan Ali with 100 wickets in 66 matches. The T20I skipper Shaheen Afridi with 104 wickets in 53 matches. Naveed Hassan with 110 wickets in 74 matches. Junaid Khan with 110 wickets in 76 matches. Mudassar Nazar 111 wickets in 122 matches. Wahab Riaz with 120 wickets in 91 matches. Mohammad Sami with 121 wickets in 87 matches. Azhar Mahmood with 123 wickets in 143 matches. Abdul Qadir with 132 wickets in 104 matches. All-rounder Muhammad Hafiz with 139 wickets in 218 matches. Shoaib Malik took 158 wickets in 287 matches. The spinner Mushtaq Ahmad with 161 wickets in 144 matches. Umar Gul with 179 wickets in 130 matches. The coach of Lahore Qalandars, Aqib Javed with 182 wickets in 163 matches. The winner of 92 World Cup Imran Khan with 182 wickets in 175 matches. Saeed Ajmal with 184 wickets in 113 matches. The Pindi Express Shoaib Akhtar with 241 wickets in 158 matches. Abdul Razak with 268 wickets, 261 matches. Saqlain Mushtaq with 279 wickets, 169 matches. Shahid Afridi with 393 wickets in 393 matches. Waqar Younis with 416 wickets in 262 matches. And at number 1, it's Wasim Akram with 502 wickets in 356 matches.